If you're looking for one of the quickest ways to freshen up the front of your home, painting the front door is a great place to start. It's a project you can tackle over a weekend, and with the right preparation and the right paint, you can achieve a really professional finish. Our door was looking a little tired and weathered, but it was still in great condition, so rather than replacing it, we're simply giving it a fresh new look. As with any painting project, preparation is key. We're working with a wooden front door, so we've started by giving it a good clean before lightly sanding the surface. This removes any loose material and creates a good key for the primer. But if this was a PVC door, the preparation is slightly different. We recommend Pure Grip Primer. That is specially formulated to adhere to PVC. Because this is a wooden door, we're using Block-It primer. A good primer helps improve adhesion, creates a smoother finish, and gives your top coat the best chance of lasting for years to come. Once the primer is dry, it's time for the colour. We're applying 2 coats of Rivers Reed in advanced satinwood, taking our time around the panels and edges for an even finish. We've chosen Rivers Reed because it works beautifully with the existing brickwork. Rather than creating a bold contrast, it complements the house, giving it a softer, more timeless look. And that's it! A freshly painted front door is one of the simplest ways to update the outside of your home. With a little preparation, the right primer and a quality top coat, it's an easy project that can make a real difference to your home's curb appeal.